Hello and welcome to the fifth lesson on binomial expansion. In today's lesson, we shall be looking at the general approach for expressions of the form a plus bx to the power n. So for instance, we could have an expression of the form 2 plus 4x all to the power 5. Okay, so where a and b and n are constants. So expressions of the form a plus bx all to the power n can be simplified in the special form that we have already discussed in our previous videos. So inside the bracket, stay with me here, we can factor a out to have a 1 plus, then since a is factored out, then we have a b all on e x in a bracket or in a bracket power n. Now as you can see in this bracket, if a multiplies 1, we have a, and if a multiplies b on a, the a and a will cancel to give us a bx. So the expression here and the expression here are equal. Now we can further simplify this, as we know from indices that when we have a, b all to the power n, we can write this as a to the power n as well as b to the power n. So our first term here is a to the power n in the bracket 1 plus b all on e x all to the power n from indices. Now we can further simplify this by saying that let b on e be equal to p, so that we can write this expression as a to the power n in a bracket 1 plus px all to the power n. And from here, we can simplify this using the special case we have discussed, as we have a to the power n out. In this bracket, we can simplify this as 1 plus, then we have n of px plus, then we have n minus 1 all on 2 factorial, remember, then we have px all to the power 2, okay, then we move on until we get to the last expression, which will be px all to the power n. That is if n is a non-negative integer. Okay. So let's look at an example. For example, for 2 plus 4x all to the power 4, we can write this as in the bracket 2 factored out, and we have 1 plus 4x all on 2 in a bracket power 4. Now, this also means that we have a 2 to the power 4 in a bracket 1 plus, we know 4 divided by 2 is 2, so 2x all to the power 4. So, we can write this as 2 to the power 4 gives us a 16 in a bracket 1 plus 2 to the power 2x all to the power 4. So all that we have to do here is to expand 1 plus 2x all to the power 4, then multiply our results by 16. So stay with me here. Now to expand this, we have 1, okay, so we have 16 out, and we have 1 plus 2x all to the power 4. So 16 is a factor out. Expanding this using the special case, we have 1 plus nx, okay, so n here is 4, and our x here is 2x, plus Now we have 4n. We have n minus 1, which is 3, all on 2 factorial. Then we have our x to be 2x all to the power 2. If you have not watched our video on special keys, go and watch that. Plus, now we have 4, okay, we have 3, we have 2, all on 3 factorial. Then we have 2x all to the power 3, okay, then plus the last thing, which is 2x all to the power 4. Okay, now we simplify this, and then we have 1, we have plus 8x, which is the 4 times the 2, we have 24x squared, plus, now simplifying this here will give us 12 multiplying 2, this is going to be 8, take your time and simplify. We are going to have this expression as a simplification. Okay, so from there, we now multiply each of the 10s by 16. So you will have 16 multiplying 1 plus 8x plus 24x squared plus 32 x cubed plus 16x to the power 4. And after multiplying, we have the expression 2 plus 4x all to the power n, all to the power 4 to be equal to that. Okay, now at this point, I'm going to go through how to simplify this. Then you take your time and go through the solution, since we have discussed this in our other videos. So we have 3 plus 9x all to the power 5. How do we do this? Now this we have in the bracket 3, bracket open, so we have factored 3 out. We have 1 plus, now we have 9x all on 3, which is factored out, okay, all to the power 5. And this will give us 3 to the power 5, okay, in the bracket we have 1 plus, 9 divided by 3 is 3x, okay, all to the power 5. So all we have to do here is that now 3 to the power 5 gives us 243, and we have 1 plus 3x all to the power 5. So all we have to do here is to use the special case to expand this and multiply our results by that. Okay, so take your time and go through the solution. And if you have any comments, drop your comments. Okay, we have other examples here. Okay, this looks complicated, but still stay with me. Now with this expression here, we have 4 on 9, okay, we have plus 6x all to the power half. Don't worry about the power. Now this will give us, now we factor the constants out. We have, okay, so in the bracket, okay, we have 1 out, 4 on 9 out, plus, so 1 plus, okay, so plus, now we have 6x all on what we have factored out, 4 on 9, all in the bracket power half. Now this will give us 4 on 9 all to the power half, okay, and then we have 1 plus, the whole of this will simplify to give us a 27, okay, on 2x all to the power half. But we know that 4 to the power half will give us a 2, and 9 to the power half will give us a 3. And we have 1 plus 27 on 2x all to the power half. So all you do here is to expand this using the special keys and multiply your results by 2 on 3. I'll pause this video here. Take your time, take a pause in wherever you don't get it clear, and go through the solutions as indicated in the slides. Thank you very much, and we shall see you in the next video.